If you have to unlock your secure folder in Samsung without password, or if you have forgotten the password, then what you do is go ahead and at first let's open the secure folder. Let's open the secure folder. Now it will ask for pin number, so just enter any pin number. Done. You will get an option forgot pin. Select this option forgot pin and then reset. Now you have the option to reset the password of your secure folder, but in order to reset the password of your secure folder, you have to use the password of your Samsung account. So if you know it, then enter it and then OK. So you have got the option to reset the password. Select pin and then enter a new pin for your secure folder. Continue and again re-enter. OK. So I have reset the password of my secure folder. So once it is done, again go to secure folder and enter the new pin code, and you will see the secure folder will open. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.